Molweni, you know, now that some of us have decided to put a certain matter to bed, because we've actually realized that a problem Ibinge was not the justice system, but a problem or justice was in the hands of Umnikazi Wendaba. I've noticed a bit of change with algorithm. It's back to being a happy place. I came across a few videos, a few happy faces. This morning I came across the video umgosi.com and I thought to myself, I missed this pretty face. And I also came across the video Obaba Ngubo. Wayekade bizwa ugogo uNgubo Zenyathi. Ethetha ngoSikhotheni. Xa ndithetha ngoSikhotheni ke kuye kuthiwe andiyamthanda uSikhotheni. Into endiyithandileyo ngevideo kaBaba uNgubo is that ebengamjaji, ebengamgxeki. And I liked that. I came across a few videos where inyanga or abathandazi besithi uSikhotheni wants to go back to Christianity because ubungoma bakhe bebune isithwalo phakathi. In as much as bendingayithandi leyo nkulumo, but indizibuza ukuba na if uyayibona ukuba na ibinesithwalo phakathi and ngoku ubuyela to Christianity because ufuna ukuphuma kuyo, apart from ukumjaja, yeyiphi enye into oyenzayo ukumnceda? Because inkonzo yobungoma is not far from a scripture esithi, for I know the plans I have for you, plans not to harm you but to prosper you, plans ezizokunikeza ithemba, hope. Inkonzo yobungoma kumayikho kude from a scripture, because uba usisangoma, uba ungumthandazi, you are a destiny helper. Umsebenzi wakho kukuthandazela abantu baphile. Umsebenzi wakho is to deliver abantu from bondage. Umsebenzi wakho is to give hope. Umsebenzi wakho is to basically ukuphilisa in general. Umsebenzi wakho lo as isangoma, as umthandazi. That's why umuntu xa eze kuwe ubone into esendleleni yakhe that has a potential of harming that person, ungamxeleli but umnikeze into, usheke uintercede on that person's behalf to prevent that thing from happening. That's inkonzo yobungoma kum. Inkonzo yobungoma ayigxeki, inkonzo yobungoma ayijaji. So niyambona uSikhotheni ubana ilantuka ubungoma bakhe bebunesithwalo phakathi, ufuna ukuphuma kwesasithwalo, ufuna ukuphuma from the kingdom of darkness. Now, as inyanga, as umthandazi, umsebenzi wakho is to intercede on her behalf, umthandazisi, while she is trying to heal from what had happened to her. Ulahlekelwa ngumntana akukho easy. Now umsebenzi wakho wena, while she's trying to heal while she's trying to find herself, while she's trying to figure her true purpose in life. Wena njengo sister yakhe emoyeni, njengomzali emoyeni, njenge destiny helper, wena kufanele you must step in, umthandazise, umcelele kumanyange, so that she can be delivered from whatever it is asifake kuyo, intentionally or unintentionally. Nikhumbule bekulunga umntana lo muntu lona. So umuntu omnye nomnye umuntu ofika kusikhotheni esithi thatha lento ayinabungozi, umntana kuzophila, uzayithatha out of desperation. So when you pray for her, when umcelela kumanyange, remember that. Usikhotheni strong. Some of us, I don't think we could have survived what she went through, but she's still here standing. I don't think usikhotheni uyayazi lento kuthiwa true happiness. In as much as besimbona jiva ngu DJ ngenye imini nanku ku podcast ngenye imini ezama imali ukusindisa impilo yomntanakhe, I don't think uyayazi la mntana ilento kuthiwa true happiness. So I am here ndizokunicela ubana athandaziswe, angagxekwa.